the captain and the entire crew a very warm welcome to Athens. The local time here in Greece is 2 hours ahead of the United Kingdom. It's just approaching 1:45. Would you all please remain seated now with your seatbelts securely fastened until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, and also very importantly, please do ensure that all electronic items, including any iPhones, Blackberries or mobile phones, all remain switched off, again until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign when we've arrived at the terminal building. Please take care and